Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Cory Pratt, this is Craving Cars, and I want to show you something a little different here. And well, you can see it already. It's this thing right in front of us here. It says Red Bull on the side because it does represent Red Bull. This is kind of one of their promo vehicles. As you can see, it is a very rugged vehicle. It's got a lift kit, got some suspension going on. It's got some interesting, the whole thing looks like it's armor. It's got this extremely cool, it's got screens in it. It's got a pop-up, it's a DJ booth. Basically, you've got TV that can come out of the back side. It is just absolutely phenomenal. Go Red Bull. And here it is. Here's kind of, I won't show you the inside of the cab right now, but here's a little bit of the workings. To raise up and lower this thing down, right? And it is a setup beast, literally. And look at these doors. So the inner door here, look at that.
all aluminum.
All aluminum. If you're not from the United States, it's aluminum probably, I don't know. Anyways, but look at this front end even. Check these out, all custom. There's not a panel on the outside of this that is original. Look at the slope that thing has. Now, here's the real thing though. Look at it, it's lowering the roof down. So that's like in its travel mode. I want you guys to guess. Now, I'm gonna tell you here at the end what this is. But before you get to the end here, I want you to put your guess down below of what this is built on. Anybody? Anybody got any ideas? Here, I'll walk around it one more time again. But I won't show you the very inside of the cab. I don't want to give too much of it away. So we got a hitchback here. If you've noticed, there's an exhaust pipe. So I'm gonna tell you right now, if you think this is what you think it might, it's not. This is not electric. Look at this thing. It is super cool. All righty. I hope somebody, whether you had to pause or not, put down in the comments below what you think this is built on.
Sounds like a Hemi.
So, give you a hint. It's a V8. It is on a truck chassis. Listen to that. That V8 is a Hemi. And I probably just gave it away right there. This is built on a 2018 Ram 1500. And there she goes. Anybody get it right? Anybody get close? Whatever you got, it doesn't really matter as long as all you cravers out there keep craving.